Alright lovely people, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the magic ring. Now the magic ring is used to perform circles on beanies and so on. This is actually a preemie beanie, which will also be my next tutorial by the way. And it's used to form a tight circle so you don't get the gap in the middle of that beanie. I'll open it up and show you. Like even the stitches you can see through rather than the gap, okay? So that's what a magic ring does. It's good for the beanies, it's good for round blankets made in the round, that sort of thing. So let's get started. Today we're going to use crocheted 8-ply, which we'll also be using for the beanie later for the next tutorial. We are using a 4-ply hook, okay? So we start with the tail end of our yarn in front, like that. We wrap the yarn around, wrap the yarn around, place it over that tail end. Then we pop our hook underneath that working yarn, pull it up, or pull up a loop. Now this is where it can get fiddly. You need to hold on while you're doing this part. Okay, so let go, and you chain 1, 2 and 3. Don't panic, I will show you again, okay? But I just want to show you what a magic ring does. Now because you're doing a magic ring, the thread here is quite thin, so you might find even double crocheting in the round a little bit awkward. It's a little bit awkward, this actual stitch, but it does make your product look so much neater, okay? And that is what I've noticed with the magic circle. I've only just been doing the magic circle now for, or the magic ring I should say, for the past, I don't know, 6-7 months. So I haven't been using it very often because I found it really awkward to do. Having said that, once I got it right, it's just become habit now. And I have to admit I'm rather addicted to it. So whenever I make a beanie, this is what I do. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to stop there. We'll pull it a little bit, and this is what happens when you pull it. You pull it, and it starts to close up your ring. But don't pull it too much, because we're going to slip stitch in the top of that chain first. So all you're doing is slip stitching the top chain, like you would if you were slip stitching normally. There's your slip stitch. And now you give it a tug, and there you go. All closed up. Now there's not enough double crochets for that magic ring. You probably need a good 12. I think I only did about 10 or 8 or something, I can't remember. But that is what it does. Alright, so we're going to show you again. Take that undone, and here we go. It is tail end in front, wrap your yarn over your 3 fingers, cross it over, pop your hook underneath your working yarn, or your tail end, whichever you want to call it. Okay, pull up that little loop. Again, awkward, this part only. 1, 2 and 3. And then you do your double crochets in there. Shall we do one more just for fun? Why not? Okay, tail end in your hand, wrap the yarn over, so you've crossed it over, pop your hook under that yarn, pull up a loop. Okay, hold it firm. Don't let go. Don't let go. If you let go, it'll all come undone. Then you just chain 1, 2 and 3 for as many chains as it's asking you. If you're doing a half double, you'll only need 2 chains. Okay. If you're doing a single, you'll only need 1, plus you'll need a single crochet in the middle as well. Okay. So you can even see how when you pull it, it closes up your loop. All right. Too easy, people. Too easy. Okay, keep your eyes peeled because your next tutorial coming will be this gorgeous little preemie beanie, which has been requested to me by a friend of mine on Facebook. She was and is making these beanies for a cause. So I thought if she's doing it for a cause, I may as well show her the pattern for a cause. Okay, so if you like the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe and click on that little bell button so that you can get further tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and ciao for now.